All right, what's up, y'all? So shopping sounds like such a chore, right? Not if you keep it brutally simple. I'm going to show you the simplest way to shop. First, you got to shop for a plan. Then you got to understand how to navigate the store so you can get in and get out. And I'm going to give you lists and resources for all the things I talk about. Now, first, you're going to make your shopping list, and that list comes from your plan. You're only planning for 1 week. Remember, what's your plan for breakfast most days? What's your plan for lunch most days? What are your 2 meals that you're going to cook in the evening for leftovers method? And what's your dessert most nights of the week? From that plan, you make your list of shopping items. You either write them down or you do what I like to do, which is use a shopping app. Now, most shopping apps work really similar. My favorite one right now is AnyList. But also there's Our Groceries. And when you come into it, it's pretty intuitive. You create a list, you can add common items. And then what's really cool is you can create recipes for things that you use and make all the time. And when you go into your recipe, you can add all the ingredients from the recipe into your list. And then when you come over to your list, all those ingredients are there. And then you can go through your list and you can delete items, or as you're shopping, you can check them off so that you see what you got left. And then finally, what's really cool is you can share the list with friends and family members. And now let's shop for the plan. All right, yo, what's up, y'all? So I'm heading to the store to do some brutally simple shopping. Now, before we go in, remember, brutally simple shopping simply means you have a plan, and that means you came up with a plan such as the leftovers method, or you got some kind of a meal plan going on, or maybe it's one meal or one recipe. But you got a plan. That plan implies a list. And so you're shopping for your plan, period. You get in, you get what's on your list, and you get out. Now, most grocery stores are going to be laid out very similar. And that is that the outer perimeter of the store is going to contain more of the real food type stuff. And the inner aisles is more of the processed foods. But regardless, you're not spending much time anywhere because you got your list and you're getting in and you're getting out. And pro tip before we get in there, never go shopping hungry, never go shopping after you've been drinking, never go shopping after you've taken some cannabis, because then you might not stick to your plan. Now, remember the days of going up and down every single aisle and grabbing the things that looked appetizing at the time, which was everything or a lot of things. Oh, I'm gonna grab these donuts here. I'm not really. Yeah, I'm gonna pass y'all right out here. No worries. Oh yeah, and remember you gotta get that instant oatmeal, the variety pack, because you know how healthy oatmeal is for you with all that sugar in it. Now, I always had to get me some pasta, right? And then when you got smart, you transitioned over to whole wheat pasta. Not really. I always had to get myself some macaroni and cheese and stock up on the top ramen. And I love me some hamburger helper. But we know better now. We're not doing any of that junk. If we cruise the perimeter, we always have produce. Now, pro tip, to strategize your organic produce purchases, use the EWG's Guide to Pesticides and Produce. The Dirty Dozen, if it's on the Dirty Dozen, that means that it's so high in pesticides and herbicides that you need to make sure that you buy organic. And on the flip side of that, if it's on the Clean 15, that means it's so clean that you don't have to buy organic, but you still can. Also on the outer rim, we've got the meats. Ooh, can I squeeze? Look out, sorry, I just don't want to hit that tool in your hand. There you go, thanks. We got the dairy. We got eggs. Frozen produce is totally fine.
What do we do with the camera? We normally don't have photography in the store.
Oh, I'm a nutritional therapist. I just film like foods for my clients. Is that okay?
That's okay, yeah.
Okay,
just
yeah.
Normally make sure you let someone know what you're doing, because we normally
don't have
no
problem.
Photography of that in the store.
Okay. And if you are going to shop in the inner aisles, just make sure that you stick to your plan. Oh, go ahead, sorry. Always getting things made with appropriate ingredients. Using your checklist of the main things to avoid when reading labels. And that's it. You got your plan, which gives you your list. You get in. I knew exactly what I wanted on the inside, and I was in and out of there in literally 10 minutes.